Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a board to your pages and website designs on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your project. I will go with this project here and then double click into the file to open it in the web designer. Here guys, what you want to do is click into layers on the left hand side to access the given page of your website. Or web design, sorry. I will go with page 2. Let me just remove that here. So what you want to do is use that panel here at the top and switch from the move tool to the board tool. You can also use the shortcut B for that. And then guys, what you want to do is left click, hold your left mouse and draw a rectangle like this. Release your left mouse to place the board. You will see it as a layer here in the page overview. And here to the right, you may go through these customizations, add a fill color, resize it, add all kinds of filters and effects to it, blurring, crop shadow, and so on and so forth. Let me just change the color so that we may see the board here to something green. And you can also, that's basically it, guys. So that's the board. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.